Learn many languages for free on Habi Sciences and Technology Future Vision School. Ikaze rero turabibahaye cyane, turabakiriye hano kuri Habi Gid Nduba TV. Isomo rya mbere, good morning, mwaramutse. Good morning, mwaramutse namwe. Aha rero dutangiye indamukanyo. Greetings. How are you? Amakuru ki? How are you? Amakuru ki? I am fine. I am fine. Ni meza. What is your name? What is your name? Witwa nde? My name is Joshua. My name is John. My name is John. Nitwa Yohana. How old are you? How old are you? Ufite imyaka ingahe? I am 10 years old. Ufite imyaka 10. Tukomeza kuri gatatu yehe. I live in Gasabo district. Ntuye mu karere ka Gasabo. Kwikomere kabisa. Where is the hospital? Ibitaro biri hehe? It is near the bank. Biri hafi ya banke. Turacyakomeje kuri karindwi. Where are you coming from? Nyabugogo. Mvuye Nyabugogo cyangwa se nturutse Nyabugogo. Turakomeza kuri number 8. Where are you going? Where are you going? Ugiye he? I am going to school. I am going to school. Ngiye ku ishuri. Twikomereze kuri number 9. Where do you work? Where do you work? Where do you work? Cyangwa ukavuga uti where do you work? Ukora he? I work in embassy. Nkora muri ambassade. Number 9. Where do you study? Where do you study? Wiga he? I study at GS Kigali. Niga kuri GS Kigali. Thank you for watching. Mukore subscribe, like, share na comment ubundi tujye twibanira iyo ndi